Hi, this is Michelle. Welcome to my channel. I'm doing an outfit of the day, my first one. So today it's it's supposed to get up to like 61 degrees. I've already been out for the day, or this morning I was out by about 10. It was about maybe 39 degrees out, so it was still pretty cool. I wanted to be comfortable, so I just wore a Gap Factory crew neck t-shirt. I think it's called the Favorite crew neck t-shirt. You can get these real cheap on Gap Factory. I think they're between anywhere from $5 to $7 depending on the sale. I think I've gotten them for as low as four and change. It just depends on the sale that's happening at the time. And I have a bunch of these. I have them in gray, white, blue, black, and I believe olive. And this is usually my uniform, you know, the t-shirt, the leggings, the sneaks, and then some type of jacket on top. But the leggings are from Walmart. Don't pay a whole lot of money, you know, for certain items. Don't think I need to. Try to keep it really simple. These are the leggings from the athletic wear line. I think they're called the Dry Core leggings. These are in black. I have like 5 pairs of these, and then I also have them in gray, and again 5 pairs in the gray. I wear them all the time. Super comfortable. They don't pill a whole lot in the middle. They wear really well, they wash really well, and they last a long time. So the only thing is that they're kind of thin, so you may need to wear the appropriate underwear under them, or undergarment under them, if you don't want your undergarments to show through, especially if you're not wearing something that'll cover, you know, this area. So just for your information. And on top, what I am wearing, or what I wore, is the H&M Shacket. I just picked this up a couple of weeks ago. It is the oversized shacket from H&M. The color is blue Malay. Oh Lord, I'll link it below. But let me just come forward so that you can see the fabric. It's really nice. It's not, well, to me, it's not itchy. Really nice. I think I picked this up for $31. I actually got 2. I got it in this color and then like a neutral, almost like a grayish white color. And I like the way that it is oversized, so I did size down. This is a large. I'm like 5'9", large frame, and it does have slits on either side. And it does come down on me low enough so that it covers my bum. And then it comes down low in the front where I like it. So, you know, because I do have on leggings. And it buttons all the way up to the top. And of course it has 2 pockets. It does not have pockets on the side. So just for people who would need to know that. But I love this. It's nice and warm on a, you know, on a day like this. I wore my scarf, which I picked up from Gap, and this is like a chambray color. It's a lighter chambray color on the back and then darker on the front. Love the print. So this is what I wore on top of the shacket this morning. And then the bag that I wore is my Louis Vuitton Thames bag. I do have a video on this. And the monogram print, absolutely love this bag. Just throw it on my shoulder. And then on my feet, I have on my white Converse, which I love. So this is my outfit for the day. I thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.